Dell 2in1 Inspiron 7420 Laptop. Product information. Be seen. Be heard. What you say is nice and clear with built-in dual microphones and AI that reduces background noise. With an FHD camera paired with temporal noise reduction hardware and wide dynamic range software, you'll be seen with clarity under a range of lighting conditions. Don't miss a word with loud and clear audio from Waves Max 6 Audio Pro. When you need to disconnect, a mechanical camera privacy shutter gives you peace of mind. Module 2. Elevate your experience. Get immersed in your world with a stunning FHD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio that is 5.6% larger than a standard 14 display. Comfort View software, which is ATUV Rainland certified solution, reduces harmful blue light emissions. Coupled with DC dimming to reduce flicker, extended screen time is easy on your eyes. Module 3. More powerful. More responsive. Explore your world with the performance you need thanks to the latest Intel 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Get going instantly with a lid-open sensor that starts the laptop simply by opening it up, even if completely off or hibernating. Plus, a fingerprint reader will verify identity quickly for login using Windows Hello. Module 4. Keep moving. Your PC comes with a Type-C power adapter that's sleek and easy to carry just like your 2-in-1. You aren't tethered to an outlet either with Express Charge. Your Inspiron 14 2-in-1 is EPEAT Silver registered or EPEAT Silver certified. In addition, 100% of the painted parts use low VOC waterborne paint star. Plus, packaging trays use 100% recycled paper while other packaging components are comprised of up to 90% recycled materials. Module 5. Your world in any mode. Versatility is everything with a 360 hinge, so you can work in 4 different modes. A lift hinge keeps your wrist comfortable as you type or chat the night away. Enjoy extra room for navigation with a 14% larger touchpad. Edge-to-edge mylar material stretches across the palm wrist and touchpad for a modern and smooth work surface. An active pen, sold separately, offers you a natural and accurate writing experience with no pairing required. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.